Um, Hey, you guys, welcome back. I'm actually trying to do better about doing videos in 2020. I almost said 2019 because it's kind of what I'm used to. But anyway, uh, ooh, this deck normally doesn't do this. Let's try this again. Okay, so now I got a playable hand. So let's play this hand. I was trying to beat out Ash Blossom. Let's see if I can actually remember how to play this deck because it's been a little bit. So I've played with this deck. It's Guardragons. Yes, the All-Star TCG Hyper Librarian in 2020. Yes, I will use the effect, and I will search for this. Yep. Then you activate this. Yes. Special. It doesn't really matter where you put it, but I just put it there because it really don't matter. Link 2 into this. Yes. You get Guardragon from the deck, I think. I did it from deck, yeah. Okay, and then you use this. Change attributes, make it an Earth, because this is Earth 2. You link 2 into Mrs. Radiant, because Mrs. Radiant is a thing still. It's funny, because this card came out in, what set was that? It was Code of the Duelist, actually, it came out. Yeah, it came out in Code of the freaking Duelist, and it's still, a playable card. Only because of, this combo. Not that it's bad, it just isn't good enough, and I only need it because of its type attribute type thing, so because of, this. Watch. So I can target this because it's an Earth Beast type monster, right? This card, search Rescue Ferret. I heard Rescue Ferret's pretty good. Link 1 into him. So I could bring one back from the graveyard, but I like to do one from the Banish Zone, just because, uh, it adds more resources, I guess, sort of, but it really don't matter. So uh, I will put that back, put that back, and this back, I guess. Fossil dig just to get it out of my deck. So when I start drawing the trillion cards, I don't draw into overwrap as much. I would rather draw into hand traps. So Doppel Warrior. Steam the Cloak. And Glow a Bulb. It doesn't matter where you put them, to be honest. Well, obviously it has to be under Skull Dread, but remember that I used one card to do all of this. So I think it was, I'm trying to remember. Sync 2 into Excel Synchron. Summon a bunch of tokens. Then you use this effect. Send this to the grave. Decrease him to level 1. You needed that to send Jet Sync on. And he made himself level 4, which means you can now make, if I'm not mistaken, you make this guy. TG Hyper Librarian in 2020. Go figure that one. Okay, so now you synchro into 2. I'm trying to remember. I think it was this. It's been a while since I've played this deck. I used to play it all the time because it was fun. Yeah, it was him. Use this effect, special some Doppelware. Sync 5. And it is. I feel like I got sneezed. If I had that really. Sorry about that. Jeez. Really sorry about that. I think I use global, mill card, and of course I mill ash, but that's fine. You synchro 2 into this. Am I super laggy? I'm hoping I'm doing this right because I don't actually remember the combo that well. I think I'm doing it right. It looks right, so. Yep. So far I'm doing it right because that's the shooting quiz over here. Okay, if you say so. Saturday and OTK. Banish this. Special this. And then use this. You discard one of the trillion cards that you have in your hand. Nope. Special summon Jet Synchron. As you can see, I only have 2 cards left in my deck. Synchro in 2. I meant my extra deck. Synchro 2 into Formula Synchron. Draw 2 more cards because GG Hyper Liberian and Formula Synchron. And then Synchro Formula, T2 Hyper Liberian, and this guy into a second shooting Quasar Dragon. I will set a bunch of stuff face down so I don't have to discard as many cards. Actually, I don't think I have to discard. Good. So 16 cards in deck, 0 cards in extra deck, and a bunch of stuff to protect me. So I can OTK next turn. It took about 8 minutes to do that whole combo. Yes, I will negate. Because then he can use Dragon Fusion or whatever, and or Super Poly to get rid of my monsters, and I cannot negate it. I can't negate Super Poly, so. Unfortunately, I don't have room for anything like extra in my deck, so if my board gets broken, I kind of just lost, which is why I thought about playing Silent Judgment or something, just to protect myself. What is that? Okay. I will negate. Excuse me. I just had a really good dinner, so. Shooting Quasar Dragon can end the game by itself, so. I wish I had room for I actually might play Twin Twists or something just to get rid of back row so I won't like auto lose the back row. I'm thinking about cutting these because they really haven't been all that handy. Like I don't think I've ever used them, and maybe to cut Effect Failure as well. For the same reason, I just don't use them. They're good. Effect Failure comes up sometimes, but normally Ash is all I really need, and I need something to deal with back row. So Twin Twist would be really good to do that. Or Hey True 8 or something. And that was the rate of Super Poly. No, I can search for that. That's cool. Is that Type Point Gaming permanent? No. I think I'm just gonna go to battle phase and attack. He can't super poly me anymore. I'm surprised that I haven't died yet because he's almost completely broken my board. Other than this one shooting Quasar Dragon. He's a dark, he's a light, so. Are they both dragons? Maybe can you super poly into him? I think you can. Shoot. That would suck. What is he doing? What could he do? I don't know if he has a super poly target. Is it what's my turn? No. Hmm. Come on. It sucks that that's the reason Super Poly is so good is because it can't be responded to. Like that's like the only thing that makes Super Poly like good. Like I mean, using stuff as the fusion material is amazing, and I think it would still see play. But I mean, my point is that you can't deny that being able to just um actually I could have just called by the grave it, huh? Oh well. This video is probably going to about to end before I can actually end the duel. I hope you guys enjoy. If I can't end it, oh, he doesn't have much, so I might be. This might be game. Let's see. Failure it. How would I get my own failure? I actually could just call by the grave whatever he sent. Remember, I still have to Ash Blossom and 3 caught by the graves in hand. So